Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Antarctica in Rise of Nations. You start with a unique challenge, often having just one or two cities and a small population, perhaps around 60,000 people. Your capital, like Vostok, is a crucial hub for valuable resources such as gold, titanium, and oil. Your first steps should involve developing this city's infrastructure to maximize resource production and establish a stable economy. This early focus is key to overcoming your initial limitations. Antarctica's harsh, semi-mountainous terrain offers significant defensive benefits. Invading forces often face attrition when landing, which can severely weaken them before they even reach your cities. Capitalize on this natural defense while planning your expansion. Consider early invasions of smaller neighboring nations, such as New Zealand, to quickly gain vital population and resources. Building a strong navy, including several destroyers and submarines, is essential for protecting your coasts and projecting power across the seas. Mastering your resource economy is paramount for Antarctica's success. Utilize your abundant titanium and oil by trading them for other necessary resources, like copper, to produce high-value electronics. Selling these electronics can provide a significant boost to your national income. Consider relocating your capital to an inland, resource-rich city like Vostok. This can reduce resource taxes on your factories, allowing for greater industrial efficiency. Always balance your budget to fund both your growing military and ongoing technological advancements. For advanced play, developing a powerful air force is crucial. Fighters and bombers can provide vital support for your ground troops and defend your territory. Ensure you have strong anti-air defenses to counter enemy air raids, especially against bomber spam. Relocating your capital to a more secure, inland city can offer better protection and economic advantages. Ultimately, your goal is to expand your influence, potentially forming a powerful empire by adapting to the dynamic global landscape and outmaneuvering your opponents with clever tactics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.